Do you have any idea how I can pick up choreo faster at a workshop? There's a couple ways I'm thinking about this. I can help with choreo retention, but in terms of picking up the choreography faster, I think making sure that you have your basics down, your foundations, knowing how to groove, arms, arm angles, lines. I think having that can be very helpful. I don't know how long you've been dancing, because I think everyone is different in how they pick up and how they learn. Some people need to be right next to the instructor, some people need to be right in front of the mirror, some people are perfectly okay being in the back. So I think it's knowing what your learning style is and banking on that. Know your basics, know your learning style. Don't be afraid to ask questions whenever you're confused about something. Another tip, tip number 3 is when you guys get water or there's a quick break, move around the room. Moving around feels slightly different. You feel a little bit more aware that your surroundings have changed. And if you notice, I don't know how often you take class, some people will always go to the same spot, either to the right side of the room or the back of the room. But if you move around while you're learning, you're kind of having to pay attention the whole time. It keeps you aware. You have to be on your feet, literally, in terms of picking up the choreography. And then the 4th tip is like, once there's a part of the class where you get to practice, face a different direction. Okay, and just get away from the mirror. Just practice facing the back of the wall, the back of the room, the right side of the wall, different directions, just to help ingrain that even more. Again, this is playing on the idea of kind of changing the environment. Because a lot of hip hop classes, they have groups in the end, and a lot of people feel very uncomfortable, even though they may have had the choreography. It's a different type of setting despite being in the same room. You want to change the different type of settings just by moving around, changing directions. And the 5th tip to add on to that is to try doing it with your eyes closed once you have the combo. The part where if you can get it in here, you can execute it just fine in the physical realm. That's what I have to say about that, and helping pick up choreography in workshops. So hope that helped.